gonna see my face in this video, but I had to fix these little screws here. And I, believe it or not, I actually used I'll show you what I used. I used a super duper Dewalt brushless. Where's the little name on this freaking thing? Used a DCS438B, which is pretty good. What I did was, I'll show you, hold on, let me see the little screw right here. Well, anyway, this little screw is sticking out. It's an old shelf. It's just an old paint shelf that we picked up back in the day there. And I'm using it just to hold stuff. So anyway, this screw is sticking out. You can see it right here on my finger. It was sticking out like this far. It's one of those self-tapping screws. It used to be on an angle here. This thing was like angled upward like this. So what I did is I screwed it in place. You can see there's a screw back over there, and there's a screw over there in the back. And there's one over here. Anyway, what I did was, I'll show you. Just step back for a second here. Stop. What I did was, after I cut it, I took these miniature vice grips because I forgot to bring vice grips to my house. And basically, I took the miniature vice grips. I took the screw off the side here. I clamped it in the vice grip, and I can't do it with two hands. And I held it on here and just ground it off. Just ground the tip of the screw off so when my kids stick their hands in there, they don't slice their finger open. And believe it or not, these little shitty brand vice grips that I bought at Tractor Supply for my kid worked pretty good. This thing is actually pretty cool. I cut off, I don't know, about 12 bolts on here. And the cool part is I was able to go like, I was able to cut this way on that side. And what I did was I put it upside down like so. And I don't know if you can see it in here, but I put it in like this. And I just sheared it off just like that, upside down. So it's actually a pretty tight fit. If I had a little air angle grinder, I could have got in there no problem. But for a cordless tool, a little bulky, it actually worked pretty good. I just flipped over. I wish this came off so you can, or flipped over so I can do it the other way. That'd be another good feature. Make this thing so it goes on the other side. So in case you have to use it this way, you could actually use it. This thing only goes, I don't know, so far. What is it? It locks that far. I mean, it might flip around. So yeah, the only other problem I think I have with this so far is this Allen key. The only big deal with it is that I forget to keep putting it back in there. It's not a problem with the tool, it's a problem with the user. You tend to just leave this laying around and probably lose it. But at least there's a holder for it. Other than that, this DCS Dewalt thing was pretty good. I won't show you this whole rack because I'm in my house and there's all kinds of junk everywhere and it's just a disaster. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like this short little video.